Hi, grade 7s, we're studying Confederation, and you've been working in some groups, gathering some background information on a colony that you're part of, deciding whether you think the reasons are good or not for that colony to become part of a bigger place called Canada. So, as we study new concepts like Confederation, a great tool that has helped me learn and I think might be really useful for you is using concept or mind maps. And you've probably done this before. But let me show you how you're each going to create one individually to show your understanding of Confederation. So, on our PCs and Macs, you all have this tool called Smart Ideas. And you just come in here, you'll get this palette. Here's all the tools, but really you want to start to type your concepts in here. So our big idea here is Confederation, and these are all major concepts that we're going to put down, not paragraphs of information, right? So this is the Confederation of Canada in 1867. Now, this is the big idea. I'm going to make it the understanding stand out for me, so I want to make it a little bit larger. I want to fill this with some red and put a nice white letters on here because I know this is the colors of our flag in Canada. Something like that that will help me remember. Let me just grab that. Okay, and I can go in here and I can change those letters. All right. Now, then I want to add other concepts. So Confederation, we're studying as we read our book around the leaders of Confederation. And we are studying the reasons for and against Confederation. And you'll study the British North America Act, which became the document that made us Canada. It's called the BNA Act. So those are three, and you'll probably find some more bigger ideas that you might have from here. Now, what I can do from here is now build a whole bunch of sub-concepts off. But the big piece here, when you're making a C map or a concept map, is the connection. So when I click on this concept, I want to connect it to this. How do these ideas connect? So it included, I want to use these connecting words. Again, only 1, 2, 3. It should not be more than, certainly more than 4 words in here. Had many reasons for and against for each of those places that you're studying. It resulted in the British North America Act. Okay? And then I might have a whole bunch of concepts coming off here. And one of the ways I can do that is build concepts underneath. So you know when I click on this, now I get this little arrow. I can click on that, and now under reasons for and against, I can build a sub-concept, right? So I built this ahead of time, so I'm going to come in here, and these are some of the reasons for and against. So some of the reasons for were trade, which included need for a railway and demands for independence from the USA. So I might add that concept. USA is a concept, it's not a connector. Okay? So that's how you're going to build this as you read through this section of our text, is you're going to start to build your understandings around Confederation. So today, with Ms. Sanders' help, what I'd like you to do is come in and get used to the technology, and you will start to build your own concept maps, and I'll be looking forward to helping you when I come back tomorrow. One of the things I'll remind you, you can just save this in your drive or in a common drive. I would suggest you save it on your drive. So at the end, just like everything else, you go in here, File, and we're going to go Save As, and you'll get your drop-down menu, and you go ahead and save those in the spots where you can get at it next day. And then we'll be uploading these into Moodle at the end of our period of study.